As a coffee enthusiast, ice drip coffee has always interested me. Exploring the aroma of different coffee beans and blends is always a try and error approach, but always a delightful experience. I've searched for ice drip coffee makers, but existing ones are all either clumsy and inconvenient for me. The ideal is a handy and simple setup, so I can do tasting and testing in a neat and enjoyable manner. Your encouragement is always important. Please be our backers and support our development to make this happen. Thank you.